Hi everyone, Richard here, Richard Guitar. If you're here on this video, maybe you are scared of that deaded B7 chord, but please stick with me. I'm going to help you through it with this great song by the Stoneroses. Really, really quickly. Oh, something's coming over and we're going to cut. And Charlotte's just knocked the light on the set and she's absolutely creasing her. Oh, that was funny. We've got the giggles. The light is still intact. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'm going to try not to hit the light, Charlotte, alright? Oh, she's caught it. Thank you very much. Right, okay. So if there is a shimmer on the screen right now, apologies. That was Charlotte knocking the light out, okay? Now, great song by Stoneroses. You have this lovely lead part at the beginning. Sorry. Now we're going to replicate that with an E minor 7. Now then what's going to happen is the note from the B string here, which is D, it's going to descend D, C sharp to C over this E minor 7 chord using your little finger and your first finger. Then you start again. Then you hear the bass guitar. Then the lyrics start. And that riff, straight out of the E minor pentatonic scale, okay? So that's a little fiddly, but then we get into the verse using E minor, D, C, but then that dreaded B7 chord. It's a 4-finger chord, which a lot of people are a little bit afraid of, but it's because they don't do it a lot. So my encouragement is, please try it. Do it in isolation and don't worry about the song if you're not quite there with it yet. B7, 1, 2, 3, 4, middle finger A string, 2nd fret, first finger D string, 1st fret, third finger G string, 2nd fret, and then your little finger on the high E string on the 2nd fret. Gives you that. Make sure your fingers are all upright so they're not muting. Okay. Default rhythm, down, down, up, down. That's E minor to D. C, B7, okay, so that's your verse. Sheet below if you want it, request it, I'll send it over for free. I can do it on WhatsApp as well, here, or somewhere around here, you'll see that and I'll send it over including my book, okay? Now your chorus, G, sometimes I, D, C, back to G. Don't lose time. D. C. G. End of chorus. Are you all alone? Is anyone? So a handful of chords, E minor, D, C, B7, and in the chorus you have a G chord. Default strum, down, down, up, down. You can add, you can take away depending on where you're at ability wise, but you should be able to get through this song once you crack that B7. Don't shy away from it. So many people that I teach over the years, great, E minor, D, C, ooh, B7. Nah, I'm not going to bother. I'm going to go to McDonald's and have some nuggets. Give it a go. Please don't forget to subscribe. She's laughing at me again. I think I'm doing it deliberately. I'm just trying to make her laugh. And I'll see you again soon for another vid. Go and have fun with it.